40 minutes and it's come back like, oh, friend, that shoe is out of stock. How about this one? And it's like another SB Dunk. I'm like, come on, man. You guys are not going to get me with that no more. You guys are not going to trick me with that one no more. I promise you. I promise you. Let's see. Shout out. Who even gave me these kicks? Hold on. Shout out to. Man.
Man, that dude Colo is so goofy sometimes. But anyway, what's up, guys? And yes, today we have a Yeezy slide video. And how did this happen? Lisa was like, hey, you ever want to do a slide video? I was like, yep. So she sent me the bone pair, which I love. And before I got the soot, which is the darkest color, is like a super dark chocolatey. Man, these boxes, man, I tell you, they kind of, I hate when this happens. It slows the video down. It kind of kills what I'm doing. Jeez. I hate when the boxes, it's just because the way they're shipped. You know, they ship them, they take a little beating, and it's like, geez, my wrist. It's like almost impossible to get it open without destroying the box. But anyway, we have the Yeezy Slide Bones. I love them. And this freaking box is going to be the death of me. Anyway, the Yeezy Slide Bones. When I first saw this, I was like, that looks like the foam runner. And look at the packaging. Look at this. This is an old video, but look how they packaged this. There was no box. They packaged it up like it was dope or something. I'm like, what is this? If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I love those things, and I still wear them. They're coming out more recently now, but you know, I was a little ahead of the wave. Anyway, back to the Yeezy Bones. Now, these shoes remind you of a whole lot of shoes, like a prison shoe. And people were like, "Oh, it's so cheap. It'll never work." And they sold out. That always happens when Yeezy or Kanye makes a new model or something like that. And they're really durable. Nailman wants a pair to go to the beautiful beaches of Hawaii, which I strongly recommend. I don't know if these will melt on like a super hot surface, but they keep your foot nice and tucked in like an Eskimo shoe, and it's just perfect. Like, they're really supportive. I used to wear the Adidas slides with the really squishy insides, and I thought those were the best things in the world until I got these. And that's the size in there, I believe. And when I put these on, they're a little snug. This is a size 10, and I was like, man, they're too small. I might have to go a half size up. That's where they inject the shoe to make the entire slide. And I was like, let me try these on a little bit. And I wore them for like 2 or 3 days, and you do have to wear them, and they will form to your feet. I repeat, they will form to your feet. I don't know why I'm doing that, but they'll form, because when you put them on, they're like, oh man, they're a little tight. They mold to your feet, I promise you. The soot pair, I wear them every day. I beat them up. They've taken a beating. They're easy to clean. But you know, go ahead and get you a pair. And the black light, I just kind of did it as a formality. There's really nothing to see here. There's no stitching. I don't think they use glue to make this shoe at all. I think it's just one mold. Bada boom, bada bang. You have the shoe just like the foam runner. But yeah, you're not going to find anything on there but that little sticker, which I removed shortly after the video. So get you a pair, man. These are the best slides out. I promise you.
I was the only one with a mask on in the whole store. See, I gotta wear a mask to protect myself from people that are not wearing masks. All right?